Why do you think is sound healing important to the world?
So sound is very fundamental to our body and to our mind, and using sound as a modality to heal internally as well as externally, I think that's a very critical or a basic aspect of our life. So I think sound provides those different avenues to heal at very different levels. So I think sound healing makes a lot of sense.
What did sound healing do for you?
So sound healing predominantly opened a lot of avenues for me that I could think of, since I'm come for the cause more for myself, to heal myself, and I think it gave me a lot of avenues to relax, to think differently, to be more comfortable, even in silence, because that's what we have done, and to stay connected to myself. So I think this sound healing has kind of connected me back with my own thoughts, so which is very important.
What do you think about sound healing training with Jens?
I think it was a wonderful course, spread over 6 days, and the mind always asks for more. So I would have loved to have something more and more and more coming in, but yes, I think fundamentally it was a lovely course. And if there's something more advanced that we can do, maybe 6-8 months down the line, I think that would be wonderful, because I think what we've learned in the 6 days is extremely fundamental, very well structured, and it's like a crescendo. So we're always now at the peak. So I think the course has been really wonderful for me. So thank you, Jens.